Hello there and welcome to this session, and today we'll be installing Percona MongoDB, which is one of the distribution of MongoDB community version, and it has lot many features that makes your administration more comfortable. So this is the installation page for this. If you come down to here, you can see the version. Either you will be using Ubuntu or Red Hat Linux, or you can use CentOS as a variant. Once you come up here, then you can see all the instructions and that we need to follow step by step. We are going to install on the MongoDB on Debian and Ubuntu. Um, Now we are going to install this on a Red Hat and CentOS version so that we have clear understanding. Let's copy this part, which is going to give you instruction. So this part will be the first part is to install the Percona repository, then MongoDB packages. We'll go step by step as per the document. And let's go ahead with the terminal. The terminals appear to be very, we need to edit the preferences, and you can give a custom font. We can set it to 21 and close it. So first one, we are going to go ahead with the installation. Okay, so now it is asking if this is okay to install this package. So I press yes, and it completes in a second, and it gives some instructions all done enabling this repository. And for example, to enable this repository, use this release setup. All those things are there. Let's go ahead and look for the next option which is given to enable the repository. So we just paste it here and we enable. So enabling this Percona repository, it says all done. Next, we are going to install the Percona server for MongoDB packages, and let's go ahead with the Percona server MongoDB command. I'll just clear the screen so that we are okay. So now we can go ahead with the installation. It will take whatever number of time. Okay, so this is going to install MongoDB and all those things, installing dependencies as well. So let's go ahead with yes. Okay, so now it is asking to install it. Yes. Okay, so most of the portions has been completed. So the next part is to run Percona server, and by default Percona server data is in this location and configuration on and you can just edit the mongodb.conf file. So to start the service, you need to run this command. As you know, this is Mongo daemon that runs. Let's go ahead and start that. So now that is running. Check the service status with sudo systemctl and then status mongodb. I'll just clear the screen so that you don't. So you can see this is active and this is running. And press Q to close this as follows. So this one here for Red Hat and Linux systemctl is there. So you can use this systemctl command and run this, which is fine. So next time reboot will not affect anything. The next part is that once our installation is there and we have already run this, the next part is to manage. So how to connect to MongoDB shell, and those things will be taken care in the next video. So thanks for watching this video.